So first up, we're going to do the raised beds. Most of this is going to be herbs. We have some rosemary, lavender, another pretty sad rosemary plant here. And then we've got echinacea through there, these 3 plants. And we've got some beets coming up in here. Sowed those seeds actually like a month ago and just been letting the weather take care of them. They've been getting rained in and sprouting as they feel like it. And we've got some dead basil plants here, need to cut that back. Sage, rosemary, got some thyme back there. Okay, and here we have the strawberry bed. We've got these onions that I'm going to try to let go to seed this year. And this combination actually kind of works to keep the deer from eating the strawberries, for now at least. And I haven't had a problem with birds, so we'll see how it goes. Last year I didn't get any strawberries. And then here we have this archway. I haven't planted anything on it yet, but I think we're going to do moonflower, maybe sweet peas. And we have broccoli here. As you can see, it's not doing too hot. These got taken out by the deer pretty early on. Tomato cages helped a little bit for this one, but not those. As you can see, we've got some little sprouts coming up. And this is a beet. That's the only one that's come up that's that size. The rest of them are just now sprouting. Got some more actually coming up in there. The rest of this bit is empty. And then we're going to move down here. We've got some repeats from the other, more echinacea, thyme, sage, and rosemary. We've got a mugwort plant here. This can be used fresh or dried for tea. It's supposed to be really great for lucid dreaming. It'll also help you sleep. More dead basil. It's a little more shaded on this side, and it seems as if the sage really appreciates that. This one is just taking off like crazy. It's actually going to seed this year. Keep having to come out here and pop these little pods off. I could let it go to seed, but I don't want to do that just yet. And got this lavender plant that's coming back. Need to trim back some of this dead growth. And some more rosemary. That's it for this space. Now we're just heading back to the in-ground garden. Got some pretty azaleas, willow, and then our irises here. They smell so good. It's almost like a green apple type smell. Okay, and we don't really have too much of anything popping up back here. We've got some potatoes that got left there from last year, and then some dill and marigolds pretty much in there. And we have this archway here. We just put the archway in last year. Had pretty much zero luck with it. It was just a bad season altogether for us. I don't know about you guys. And that's pretty much it for our food growing spaces. We'll check out some flowers though. Here we have some peonies popping up. They'll bloom in a dark pink color. Alright, and now we're coming up to the front yard now. Here we have some more irises. They're just starting to come into bloom too. This area is pretty much empty. You're going to come through and plant probably some zinnias or sunflowers. And then Under here we have this purple shamrock plant. They grow in corms and it's come back every year. It's never frozen out and died off, so it'll get nice and big under here. This is a pretty shady spot, considering. Last year it was all tulips. It was so pretty, but none of them came back this year. I guess between the deer eating them, they just didn't have the energy to come back. That's it for garden tour number 1, which is basically a before because there's not much going on. We'll get back to you guys when we start planting stuff.